I got another one for you guys. This is a 2007 Subaru WRX STI Turbo. Whoa! And customer brings it to me, or to the shop, and he says, hey, I got a check engine light, but it's not on. You know why? Because I cleared it. Customer checked his codes, cleared his codes. Now he wants me to look at it and tell him what's wrong with his car. So I got absolutely nothing to go by, but he did say he wrote it down. It's a P0171 System 2 lean. So let me go hook up my scanner y a ver qué le encontramos, okay? Vamos a ver. First thing I'm trying to do here is just find some fuel trim data, but you know, just based off the P0171, I'm trying to see if this is going to be something that's caused by a vacuum leak or a fuel pressure issue or a mass airflow sensor issue. So I'm looking around for fuel trim data, but I don't see anything. I don't see any short-term or long-term fuel trims. But one thing that I noticed, I've been looking around through this a little bit, just because I want to be able to pull some data quick for you guys and show you, you know, what it's gonna take to fix this car. So as I'm going here, and I found the mass airflow sensor, I gave it a quick snap throttle. Just, you know, snap of the throttle to see how much grams per second we're able to pull. Now let me turn the AC off real quick. If you look right here on the top right of your screen, we see 4.1. It has a max of 16. Now if I hold it down, 16, it's not pulling a lot of grams per second. All right, now the first thing I'm gonna do is go under the hood and see, just do a quick visual. But even like on a quick snap of the throttle, it feels like it's hesitating, like it's starving for fuel, you know. And that is right there, that's an indication of a bad mass airflow or a dirty mass airflow sensor to me. So just looking under the intake, I mean under the hood, I saw one of those K&N filters, you know, those lámpara filters that are supposed to be high airflow or whatever. But those air filters are known for messing up your mass airflows. Now I don't think this is a vacuum leak issue, but then again, I don't have anything to go by because the customer cleared everything. He cleared his codes, he wiped the memory. I don't have any fuel, I don't have any freeze frame data to go by. All I have is, he says it was a P0171. So I'm trying to find some data that I can show you guys. And I think right now what I'm gonna go with is this mass airflow PID. And we're gonna see, I'm gonna go look at that mass airflow sensor. I'm gonna remove it and see if it's dirty. And if it is, let me see. I wanna make sure there's something good for you, but my guess is on the mass airflow sensor right now. So just looking at airflow sensor voltage and airflow sensor grams per second. Okay, just looking at these two right here. Snap of the throttle, 22. I got a max of 23, as you can see, but that's not enough. I've seen higher numbers on grams per second. I don't know how it's supposed to be for this engine, but 26 as a max seems pretty low. So oh, we got a 35 right there. See, now that took a couple of snap throttles. So what I'm gonna do is go under the hood, take off that mass airflow, look at it, and we're gonna see if it's dirty or not. Okay, so let's go under the hood. Here, let's go look at this closer. Come on. All right, I don't know if you can see inside, probably not, but I'm just gonna take a little flathead and I'm just gonna rub it along the resistor. I'm gonna try not to break it. Gotta be gentle here because just trying to get rid of some of that crud there. If you look at the screwdriver, it has like little ridges, and those are gonna help clean the mass airflow. I always use this screwdriver to clean it, always. This is my mass airflow cleaner screwdriver. Being very careful, lightly touching these chingaderas just to get a little bit of the crud out of there, because just spraying it is not gonna help. You gotta put some of this rubbing action on there. And how well you can see that. I'll try to get some good pictures of you. Good pictures for you. So all I'm doing is just rubbing it on the side like that, and then a little bit on the top like that. Now, oh fuck, got it on my phone. Okay, that looks a little better. Looks better. I don't know if I can get a good shot of that for you. Probably not. But look, we're gonna let this dry. We're gonna put it back in the car, and then we're gonna look at our grams per second to see if we got an improvement. And I think we will. I think we will. Looks clean now. Okay, let me put this back on the car. Okay, let's go back to the scanner and look at some data real quick. All right, homies, I cleaned the mass airflow. We're gonna start this car up and see what it does now. Just looking at our mass airflow. Let me grab this mass airflow again and the voltage. Now, I don't remember what it was at idle. I would have to go back and check the footage, but we're just gonna give it a couple of snap throttles and see. I think the highest number we got right now was 35, so we're gonna try it again and see what we get now. Oh yeah, 6, 42, that's better. Okay, we hit 3 volts over here, so 59. Okay, that's a lot better. Better than 35, right? Try it again. 59, that's our max. Okay, 60. 105. That looks good right there. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. So it looks like our P0171 might be coming from the mass airflow. That is a good improvement. 105 looks good. That's a good grams per second. Okay.
One pathetic sob story later.
All right, I put a new mass airflow sensor in there. Now we're gonna compare this to the clean mass airflow and the dirty mass airflow on this WRX STI. So let's go back to the scanner. Okay, back on the scanner, we're gonna go into engine. Why did we get out of here? Why did we get out? Okay, let's see. So first, we got a dirty mass airflow. Cleaned it up. We got about 105 grams per second, which I think is fine, but they wanted to put a new one in there, so I went ahead and put a new mass airflow in there. And we're gonna see where we're at right now to see if cleaning it actually makes a difference as opposed to a new one. So we're going into data, and all I have is a mass airflow grams per second. I mean, I could have scoped this for you guys, but his concern with his code on the P0171, and then from there, I'm just gonna give it back to him, and then he's gonna have to be the one to decide if it's fixed or not based on his light coming back and whatnot, you know. I don't have too much to go by here on the scanner. This is a brand new mass airflow now. So here we go. We're gonna give it a couple of snap throttles. Let me close this door for less glare. Okay, here we go. Snap throttle number 1 coming up. Okay, 33, 58. Oh, the end. We're not getting a lot, but the engine sounds like it's breathing a lot better. 58. Yep. I think we're hitting higher numbers, but the scanner's not able to pick it up. It's too slow. Let me just get mass airflow and voltage right here, and I'll see what it looks like now. Let's give the scanner a little bit less data to process, but 30, 119. There you go. 119. That's better than 105. Yeah, see, scanner's kind of slow processing it, but the proper way to do this would be with a scope and look at maybe our frequency and see the changes there. But this looks way better than what 35 grams per second was with that dirty mass airflow. So dirty mass airflow will definitely give you a P0171. So if you got one of these cars, check that out. All right, I'm gonna let this one go right here. I know it wasn't like a proper diagnostic video, but based on what the customer brought, just bringing me the car and telling me he had a P0171, I'm gonna call this a fix just because it's based on the based on the numbers that I was pulling on the scanner, and just based on how it accelerates now, just on a quick snap throttle. Before, it felt like it was starving for fuel, like it was not. Now it looks okay. It looks good. I'm gonna let the customer take it. If his check engine light comes back on, trust me, I will bring it back to you guys, and then I'm gonna ask him not to clear it this time, because why would you clear your check engine light and then take it to a mechanic and ask him to fix it? Maybe he's testing me, I don't know. But yeah, dirty mass airflow. In this case, we replaced it. We got about 119 grams per second on this 2007 Subaru WRX STI turbo. So yeah, I'm gonna let this one go. If it does come back, trust me, you'll see it again. But if not, then this is a fix, homies. P0171, according to the customer, fixed. Thanks for watching. Peace out.